Hey everyone, welcome back. If the BMO mobile banking app is not working on your phone, this guide will help you fix it. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Next, you're going to swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for BMO mobile banking, swipe it away, then reopen it. This clears temporary glitches. Next, go ahead and head over to your app store, search for the BMO app, and then check whether your app is updated or not. If updates are available, installing it to the latest version often fixes your bugs. Next, if the problem continues, restart your phone to refresh your system processes. You should also make sure your phone software is up to date, as outdated systems can cause banking apps to fail. Now, if none of these steps work, long press on the BMO banking app option, uninstall, remove app, delete app, then delete it. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for the app, and then make sure to reinstall it from the app store only. That should restore normal app functionality, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick